Did you know that the glass effect is a popular effect in Photoshop, which is often used by graphic designers in their designs and photos to make a stunning change to the image? But did you also know that this effect can also be created in Coreldraw? So let me teach you how to apply glass effect to an image in Coreldraw. First of all, you choose a photo that you want to give glass effect. Try to make your photo high resolution so that the glass effect looks beautiful. First, right-click on the image. After clicking, the copy option will appear in front of you, which you have to copy. After copying, paste to duplicate the image so that you have multiple images. After that, select one of the images with the help of Pick tool. After selecting Effect, go to Option and look for Creative option, in which you will see Glass Block option. All you have to do is click on that and set your image to whatever ratio you want, where you can get glass effect better. Press OK button there. When your image gets the glass effect, you have to cut out half of the image with the help of Shape tool and place it right above the other image, which will show your glass effect. Hope in this video you got to know about glass effect. Subscribe my channel for more such videos and share with your friends.